Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to convert eBay personal account to business account. If you're selling regularly on eBay, at some point you'll want to switch from a personal account to a business account. Why? Because a business account gives you more credibility, better scalability, and access to tools that serious sellers actually need. But here's where people get confused. The option to switch doesn't always appear right away. Start by going to eBay and logging into your account. At the top left, click on your profile icon or name. This opens your account menu. From the drop-down, click on Account Settings. This is where you manage your account type and personal details. Inside Account Settings, click on Personal Information. Here, you'll see your account details. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Type. You'll see it listed as Individual. Next to Account Type, click on Edit. This is where you can switch to a business account. Important note: if you don't see the Edit button, here's why. You need to have completed at least 3 sales in the past year. Clarification: eBay requires some selling activity before unlocking this feature, and once you meet this requirement, the option will appear automatically. Follow the prompts to change your account type to Business. You may be asked to enter business name, business details, and contact information. Clarification: make sure the information is accurate, especially if you plan to scale your selling. After entering your business details, click Save. Your account will now be converted to a business account. Using eBay as a business seller helps you grow more efficiently and operate more seriously. To summarize, converting your eBay account involves going to your profile, opening account settings, navigating to personal information, finding account type, clicking Edit, and switching to a business account once you meet the requirement of at least 3 sales. This unlocks more advanced selling features. And that's how to convert your eBay personal account to a business account. This is one of those moves that signals you're no longer just experimenting, you're starting to take selling seriously. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.